The last 2 miles of Valley Creek flow through Valley Forge National Historical Park to the point where the creek joins the Schuylkill River near Washington's headquarters. This stream is one of the park's most important natural resources because of its role in history and its high ecological value. It may also be one of the most threatened resources. Modern-day society makes use of many forms of power: electricity, nuclear power, wind power, solar power. However, until the late 1800s, water was the primary source of power in the village of Valley Forge. Valley Creek provided water for forges, mills, and other industrial operations in the village. Clues to this history remain today. Water power was harnessed by building dams. At least 4 dams were built within what is now the park, although only one remains in good condition today. The largest dam, built in 1789, just upstream of Washington's headquarters, stood 17 feet tall. It created a large mill pond behind it that was often used for recreation until the dam was removed in the 1920s. In the still water behind these dams, large amounts of sediment built up over time and can still be observed as the high, steep banks of the stream near Washington's headquarters. In addition to its historic value, Valley Creek is important for its scenic beauty, opportunities for recreation, and wildlife habitat. Today, Valley Creek is designated an exceptional value waterway by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, providing it the highest level of protection. It is also considered a Class A wild trout stream. 18 types of fish can be found in Valley Creek, including brown trout, rainbow trout, white suckers, and black-nosed dace. Although popular with fishermen, the creek is a catch-and-release fishery only because of certain kinds of pollution, so you must put back the fish you catch. The stream itself and riparian habitat along the stream are home to a great diversity of plants and animals. Some of the plants and animals you might encounter along the stream within the park are the state champion black walnut tree, a sycamore tree more than 350 years old, a crayfish discovered in 2003 that has yet to be named, amphibians such as American toad and gray tree frog, reptiles such as the northern water snake, wading birds such as herons, and many types of migrating songbirds such as warblers. Valley Creek is located at the very bottom of the 23-mile Valley Creek watershed. Since water travels downhill and then downstream, being located at the bottom of the watershed means that problems upstream eventually impact resources within the park itself. For example, until passage of the Clean Water Act in 1972, raw sewage was released directly into Valley Creek by upstream businesses. The primary threats to the health of Valley Creek today are related to the amount of development occurring upstream of the park. As more pavement and other impervious surfaces are laid down for housing and commercial development, more rainwater runs off the pavement and into storm drains. Stormwater eventually ends up in Valley Creek, making flooding more frequent and severe. Increasingly severe floods have caused the banks along the stream to collapse and the soil to drop into the water. Did you know that soil or sediment in the water is the most common pollutant in Pennsylvania waterways? As stream banks in the park collapse and wash away, archaeological artifacts related to our history disappear. Habitat is lost, water quality is degraded, and infrastructure such as trails, roadways, and sewer lines that run along the stream are threatened. As you walk along the Valley Creek Trail, look for evidence of our efforts to stabilize stream banks and protect water resources. Remember, we all live downstream.